voice. For the last meeting, the table is used for active voice. Table yang sebelumnya ya, meeting sebelumnya, that's for active, and this one for passive. Okay. For simple present, ingat aja simple present itu to-be-nya apa. When you remember that, that's quite easy for you to identify that's passive voice. Okay, untuk passive voice-nya mudah kalau kalian ingat to-be-nya. Simple present to be-nya M is R. Okay, M is R. M for I, is she, it, R, they, we, you. Okay, and then verb 3. For example, usually houses are built 8 months. Biasanya rumah itu dibangun 8 bulan, selama 8 bulan. Oke, are di sini to be-nya, houses, this is they, banyak ya, that's plural. Are built. Built di sini verb 3 atau past participle. Dibangun, bukan membangun. Jadi, when you want to identify the sentence, oh ini kalimatnya, is it passive or is it active? Diartikan coba. Rumah ini membangun atau dibangun? Okay, that's the difference. Oh, kalau dibangun, this is the passive voice. Because I will give you some probably 2 or 3 paragraphs, and you need to identify whether the sentence is active or passive. Okay, probably next week. And then for simple past, nah simple past ini to be-nya apa? Was were, okay? Was were, verb 3, tetap verb 3 semua ya, as you can see here, verb 3, verb 3, verb 3. The difference only in the to be, okay? For the future, will be. Kan kita misalnya, I will go to school. Oke. Okay? Di sini hanya ditambah be saja. Will be. Oke. Okay? For the present continuous. Nah, kalau simple present ini am is are, verb 3. Kalau ada continuous ini, tambahin being. Oke. Okay? Being. Di past continuous juga ditambah being. Present continuous, you can add being. Oke. Okay? To be-nya the same. Simple present, simple past, that's the same to be. Am is are, was were. The difference continuous using being. Okay. This house is being built now. Oke, sekarang ya. Kalau namanya continuous itu sedang berlangsung. Sedang berlangsungnya bisa sekarang. Kalau pas continuous itu kemarin atau beberapa hari yang lalu itu sedang dibangun. Being, remember, continuous using being. And then perfect. Perfect using been. Oke. Okay? Been. Misalnya nih, kayak kemarin present perfect. I have watched that movie. Saya sudah nonton film itu. And then I want to change the passive voice. The movie has been. Oke. Okay? Movie-nya kan satu, filmnya satu. Atau the film has been, telah ditonton, has been watched. Okay? Is it clear?
It's clear enough for me.
Okay. Let's do some exercise. Kita coba exercise dulu ya. This one, who wanna try? I give you the table here. Kasih table di sini. So you can change directly. Jadi mudah untuk mengubahnya. Jack opens the door. Nah, kalau kalian ada soal change the active to the passive. Identify this one. Kalian harus lihat dulu ini. Tenses apa? When you know the tenses, you can directly go to the table. So, ini opens. Subject, verb, tambah S or IS. That's simple present. Simple present berarti pakai rumus ini. To be-nya M is are, and then verb 3. Objeknya yang mana? Remember, Jack opens the door. Berarti objeknya go to the front. Okay? The focus is on the object doing something. Jadi objeknya yang melakukan. Jadi objeknya yang mana? The door. So the door is opened by Jack. Nah, di sini ada kata prepositions by. Kenapa ada pakai by? Karena ada orang yang melakukan sesuatu. Okay? But when you don't know the subject, you don't need to mention the using by. Okay? Kalau tidak ada subjeknya, nggak usah pakai by. Alright, so now you may try. Boleh dicoba. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Identify first. Identify dulu nih. Whether that's what kinds of tenses apa. Okay, take your time. You may raise your hand if you know the answer.
Miss Angel nomor 3 bisa nggak?
Alright, Angel, number 3.
1621, Miss.
Okay.
Jack has opened the door. The door has been opened by Jack. Betul nggak, Miss?
Wait a moment. Repeat again. Jack is opening the door. What kinds of tenses? Tenses apa dulu itu? So we can go to the table.
Tense. Nggak kelihatan itunya, Miss. Soalnya terlalu minggir.
Okay.
Bajakanku tadi hashbit. Bentar ya, Miss. Aku buka. Kelihatan, Miss.
Okay, time.
Aku buka waskita bentar ya, Miss. Waskita.
Anyone want to try the other number?
I want to try number 2.
Okay, fine. So wait a moment. Number 2.
Number
Yes.
2 is present continuous. B.
Okay. Present
So-
continuous. Karena ini ada to be, verb in-nya. To be-nya is NR. So?
So the answer is the door is being opened by Jack.
Okay. Kalau kita sudah tahu tensesnya apa, langsung ke sini ya. Is opening. Ada to be yang namanya ada in, lihat to be-nya is NR, berarti itu present. Kalau to be-nya was, oh berarti itu past. Jack is opening the door. So the door is being opened by Jack. Good. Angel, have you found? What about the other number?
Saya Miss nomor 4.
Number 5. Who wanna try?
Saya
One by one. The girl?
Miss.
Saya nomor 4.
Was open it, Miss.
Okay, mention your name. Wanna try? Number 5.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, what's your name? Oh, Ashim, your student number? 1852. Yes, was opening. Nah, ini dia to be-nya was word, pakai ing ya, ing. So that's past continuous. Was being. The door was being opened. Next, number 4, the girl tadi.
Saya Miss.
Yes.
Jack opened the door. The door was opened by Jack.
Okay. The door was opened by Jack. Good. What's your name?
Samsiatul Fitria.
Okay, Samsiatul. Your student number?
1665.
Angel. Jack has opened the door. What kinds of tenses is this one? Ini tenses apa?
Perfect, Miss.
Past
perfect.
perfect or present perfect?
Yang itu, Miss. Past perfect.
Okay, when you see here, past perfect using had. This one has. Okay. So we go to the present perfect.
Miss.
Okay,
Present
so the
perfect.
answer is the door. The door.
The door has been opened by Jack.
Okay, the door has been opened by Jack.
Yeah.
Good. Now, number 4. Oh, number 4 already, yeah. Good. Now, do you have any questions or do you find some difficulties in change in changing the active to the passive. Ada nggak kesulitan dalam mengubah aktif ke pasif? No? So, the tips, when you want to change, see the to be or identify the tenses first, okay? And then you need to change to the verb 3. Now, nah ini yang agak mikir sedikit ya. Coba let me copy it again. Nah, yang ini. Right. Change the passive to the active. Yang ini agak mikir. You need to identify first the same strategy. Identify the tenses and then change to the active. Sekarang pasif ke aktif. That sentence was written by Omar. Nah, remember, active itu subjeknya go to the front. Kalau tadi objeknya yang pindah ke depan, kalau kita mau ganti ke aktif, subjeknya yang pindah ke depan. Where is the subject? Subjeknya yang ini. Oke? Okay? Wanna try? Number 1. Ada yang mau coba? Oke. What's your name, the boy?
Teman saya ada yang nggak bisa join, Miss. Sekarang juga
siapa?
Ahmad Irfandi. Katanya nggak bisa join, Miss.
Why? Miss, saya nggak bisa join. Irfan. Do you know the solutions? Why some of the students cannot join to the Zoom meeting? Kenapa? Padahal Miss enggak, apa namanya ini? Enggak Miss setting untuk waiting room-nya enggak ya?
I think it's because misconnection or the setting of firewall.
Okay, Irfan, can you inform to your friends, try to use the other device, okay? Coba pakai handphone lain atau using laptop. Rido, can you give the information to the Irfan?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Where were we? Sampai mana tadi? Number 1. That sentence was written by Omar. Nah, ini kalian sudah lihat nih, was written, ada to be-nya was. Ini lihat ke tabel pasif ya. Lihat aja to be-nya. Kalau kalian mau dari pasif ke aktif ini agak quite simple. And then a bit difficult when you don't know about the subject, object, okay? Apalagi for the complex sentence. But this is only simple sentence. Omar, the subject. Okay, to be-nya, lihat to be. Di sini ya, simple past. So, Omar, kalau kalian nggak ingat rumus aktifnya, that's quite difficult for you. Rumus simple past apa? Subject, verb, to. Okay. Nah, verb 2 dari written.
Wrote.
Okay, good. So, Omar wrote that sentence. Okay. Omar menulis kalimat itu. Omar wrote that sentence. Okay, that's simple past. Number 2. Wanna try?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, the girl. What's your name?
Mayada Ajijah.
Okay, Mayada.
1662.
1662. Go on, Mayada.
The teacher is going to cut our papers.
The teacher, okay, Miss tulis ya, biar kalian quite easy for you. untuk recognize-nya. The teacher
Is going
is going
to cut
okay, to collect. Collect-nya using verb 1 or verb 2? Collected or collect?
collect aja, Miss.
Okay, good. Is going to collect
Our favors.
our papers. Our papers. Good. That's correct ya. Ini are going future, okay? Future tense atau present continuous. Jadi ini kan to be collected, untuk dikumpulkan. Yang ini pasifnya nih, to be collected. Di sini kita mengumpulkan, okay? Number 3. Wanna try?
Wanna try, Miss?
Yes, please. What's Megat? Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, Megat.
Was Thomas Edison invented the electric light bulb?
Okay, wait a moment. I need to write. Was Thomas
Thomas Edison invented the electric light bulb.
invented the electric light bulb? Okay. Anyone want to give the other opinion about number 3? Ada yang mau ngasih another opinion? Pendapat yang berbeda? Kalau kita artikan ya, apakah di sini to-be-nya masih ya? Was di sini ditemukan masih?
Invent.
Invent. Okay, let me delete. However, this is something wrong with this one. Sorry?
Di Thomas Edison.
Okay, very good. Jadi ingat, di kalimat pasif, di kalimat aktif, to be kalau ada kata kerja ya. I have explained that if the sentence has the verb, that's what we call verbal sentence. Verbal sentence itu kita pakai did, and then do, does, okay? Tetapi kalau di sininya bukan kata kerja, adverb, adjective, okay? And then noun, itu baru kita pakai was or were, okay? For example, like this one. I was happy. Saya senang. Saya sebelumnya senang, bahagia. Nah, di sini kan ini pakai was. Karena di sini adjective. Tetapi kalau ada kata kerja, kita pakai verb to. Verb to-nya itu di positive sentence, tetapi kalau di negative, interrogative, dia balik ke verb pertama. Terus kalau ada kata kerjanya using did. Misalnya nih, I went to school. I went to school. The negative sentence, I didn't go to school. Balik ke verb pertama ya. Terus interrogative-nya, kalimat tanya, did I go to school? Did you go to school? Bukan, was I go to school? Alright? Is it clear, Megat?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Number 5. Wanna try? Okay, number
Saya,
4.
Miss.
Yeah, what's your name?
Afan Wicaksono.
Okay, Afan, your student number.
1632.
1632. Okay. Have you been
Most
informed? Tenses apa dulu
Most
nih?
drive don't obey the speed limit on highway 5, Miss.
Most drivers, repeat again, most drivers
Don't obey
the speed limit ya, bla 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 ya.
Yes.
Okay, good. Oh, Irfandi ini yang baru join tadi ya. What's the problem? Afan, salah. Irfandi and Ahmad. Did you change the device? Yes. Why? What seems to be the problem, Irfan? We still have 5 minutes to to go. Presensinya nanti ya after you join. Okay, you may choose. Do you want I give you the assignment, or you need to rejoin again for a few minutes to discuss some questions? Hello? For all the students, do you want to rejoin again, or I give you the assignment?
Rejoin again, maybe.
Okay,
Rejoin
rejoin
is-
again.
Rejoin again.
Because this is long weekend, you don't want to have assignment.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yeah.
Exactly.
So probably I will take your time 10 minutes to go, ya. Nanti 10 menit
Okay.
lagi, you have to rejoin. But this is less than 4 minutes. I'll end up the Zoom meeting and please rejoin again, okay? See you there.
Yeah, Miss.
Oke, Miss.
Okay.
Pasti kalau continuous pasti ada ing-nya. Kalau di pasif, using being. Kalau di perfect dia pakai verb 3 dan using been, okay? Untuk di pasif. Is it clear, Fajar?
Nice, enough, clear enough for me. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you for the questions. Do you know the differences between present simple past or past perfect? Miss belum ngajarin past perfect ya, karena dari tadi beberapa some of the students, Miss that's past perfect. When we need to use past perfect? Kalau kemarin Miss jelaskan present perfect itu Miss dengan simple past bedanya satu menggunakan bentuk waktu ya, simple past, satunya tidak menggunakan bentuk waktu. Is that right?
That's right, Miss.
Oke. Nah, ada past perfect sama simple past. Simple past sama past perfect ini, Miss memang belum jelaskan. Coba let me give you an example at glance, sekilas saja ya. Misalnya nih, coba Miss kasih contoh. Fajar took breakfast this morning. The second sentence, Fajar had taken a bath. Nah, di sini kan ada simple past nih. This is simple past. Di sini past perfect. Ini Miss jelaskan usage-nya aja ya, penggunaan. Di sini past perfect-nya had, verb 3. Oke, sudah mandi. The things that I need to check your understanding. Fajar, kamu sarapan dulu atau makan dulu? Sarapan dulu atau mandi dulu?
Kalau saya mandi dulu.
Oke, mandi dulu. Oke, let's say
Yeah.
everyone do the same thing. Mari kita beropini bahwa semuanya melakukan seperti dulu baru sarapan ya. So, penggunaan past perfect, this is the first thing, oke? Ini satu kegiatan. Yang pertama. Yang kedua baru ini. Oke? So, it can be concluded when you want to use past perfect itu sama-sama menjelaskan kegiatan masa lalu, tapi ada yang lebih dulu, oke? Semuanya masa lalu, tapi yang lebih dulu kamu lakukan itulah past perfect. Mandi dulu, terus sarapan. Nah, mandi dulu inilah kalau kamu mau menekankan ya, when you want to emphasize yang kamu lakukan terlebih dahulu, itu baru using past perfect. Oke? I have taken a bath, after that took breakfast. Oke? Jadi kalau mau menjelaskan kegiatan yang terlebih dahulu, you use past perfect, after that baru simple past. Oke? That's the difference, hanya itu perbedaannya. Kalau simple past sama present perfect, bedanya ada yang ada bentuk waktunya, ada yang tidak. Misalnya, I took breakfast at 7 o'clock. I took breakfast at 7 o'clock. Tapi kalau mau present perfect, I have taken breakfast. Gitu, oke? Tapi tidak ada bentuk waktunya. Alright then? Is it clear? The last one, yeah. The last one for the exercise, if you have no questions, kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, terakhir ini. Identify. Okay. Oh, it's not identify. Choose the correct one. Coba pilih yang benarnya. This is active or passive. Ada yang mau mencoba? For example, ya, number 1. Nearly half of the populations involved atau are involved in some form of employment. Tebak. Kalau dia ada to be verb 3 itu berarti pasif. Kalau tidak ada dia aktif. Oke? Jadi kalian hanya menebak apakah ini kalimat pasif atau aktif. Nearly half of the populations. Hampir setengah dari populasi melibatkan atau terlibat di beberapa bentuk pekerjaan. How do you say?
Are involved.
Oke, are involved. Jadi terlibat di beberapa bentuk pekerjaan. It can be the lecturer, can be a teacher, can be an engineer, can be a programmer. Jadi banyak bentuk some form of employment. So that's passive. Number 2, wanna try? Ada yang mau mencoba? Apakah dia aktif atau pasif? Jadi tugas kalian hanya mengartikan ya antara subjek sama verbnya. Apakah melakukan atau dilakukan? Anyone? The others, come on, speak up. Not only Fajar, nggak hanya Fajar ya. There are many students here. Afrisa, and then Richard, Adrian. You may give your opinion. You don't need to be correct. Nggak harus benar ya, karena we are still learning. So when you make mistake, okay, we can know, okay, we can know the problems. Saat kamu melakukan kesalahan itu, jadi kita ngerti, oh nggak pahamnya di sini. Kayak gitu. Alright, number 2, wanna try? Ada yang mau mencoba?
Employed bukan sih, Miss?
Okay, is that you Samsiatu or Mayada?
Samsiatul.
Okay. Okay, 20% of the workforce are employed. Okay. Tenaga kerja, 20% dari tenaga kerja itu mempekerjakan atau dipekerjakan oleh the state. Tenaga kerja itu dipekerjakan atau mempekerjakan?
Dipekerjakan.
Oke, jadi dia bekerja ya. Are employed. This is passive. Oke, number 3.
Oke.
Nih, the average worker, rata-rata tenaga kerja itu membayar atau dibayar dalam setahun.
Dibayar enggak, Miss?
Yes, dibayar atau pays.
Dibayar, Miss. Dibayar, Miss.
Okay, yes, is paid 27,000 pounds sterling a year. Jadi dia dibayar. Nah, ini agak sama nih, tapi you have to know the meaning. Harus tahu arti yang ini ya. Pays, oke. Membayar pajak ya. What's your name?
Arvin, Miss.
Arvin, your student number?
1816.
Yes. Jadi dia membayar pajak, bukan dibayar pajak. So that's the difference ya. How to identify whether that's passive or active. Number 5, who wanna try? Ada yang mau mencoba? Number 5? Women. Women ini dia plural, makanya plural pakai R. Plural itu lebih dari satu. Kalau woman pakai a gitu ya, woman, that's singular. Kalau women plural. Woman ini menghasilkan atau dihasilkan? Earn, menghasilkan.
Earn.
Oke, earn ya, menghasilkan. Number 6, children give or are given on an average 9 counseling a week pocket.
Are given.
Are given. Okay, what's your name? Number 78 ya. Dimas.
Iya, Miss.
Yes, are given ya, diberikan uang saku, a pocket money. A week pocket money. Jadi uang saku mingguan diberikan, bukan memberi. Number 7, wanna try?
Can I?
Yes, Megan?
Spend.
It's
The
spent.
average household spends 70 pounds per week on transport.
Okay, the average household spends ya. Menghabiskan bukan dihabiskan untuk transport. So the answer is spends. Ini passive voice untuk present, simple present. Number 8. The last one. Own. Okay, what's your name?
Was on Muhammad Husnan Arifin.
Husnan, your student number.
1651, Miss.
Okay. So on ya,
1651.
75% of British household on memiliki mobil, bukan dimiliki oleh mobil, okay? So the answer is on. Well, do you have any difficulties in identify the sentence, whether it's active or passive? Or do you have any other questions? Ada pertanyaan yang lain related to the passive or active voice? No? Do you have any questions before we end our meeting today? If not, I'll close the meeting. For the PowerPoint, you have seen, yeah, you have seen in the Waskita, I have uploaded the materials, so you can download there. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.